If you're looking for a hosting solution that offers superior performance without breaking the bank, the Hosting or VPS hosting plan is your answer. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step guide how to acquire a feature-rich VPS hosting plan and elevate your website to new heights. Think of a virtual private server as your web development playground, making it the go-to choice for people who have outgrown their somewhat limited shared hosting plan. VPS hosting offers the same root-level access, granting you control as if you had your own dedicated server, but at a much lower cost. With it, you can install all sorts of software applications without much limitation. However, it's important to have some technical knowledge to set up and manage a VPS effectively. Using virtualization technology, your hosting provider installs a virtual layer on top of the operating system or OS on the server. This layer divides the server into partitions, allowing users to install their own OS and software. Therefore, a VPS acts as a virtual space and is entirely private because you have the complete control. Now that you're well versed in how a VPS works, we'll dive deeper into how to buy a VPS hosting plan. When it comes to VPS hosting, there's a lot to enjoy. Picture yourself browsing through a buffet of features: support, performance, server resources, cost, and of course, security. Our VPS plans come with their specific flavors, but the cherry on top is that they all come with free weekly backups, which protect your website from unexpected data loss. Need to configure your system but afraid you'll mess it up? No need to worry, as our VPS hosting plans have free snapshot functionality to capture your server's current state for easy and quick restoration points. Now that you've learned what our VPS hosting plans have to offer, I'll walk you through the simple steps of how to purchase a perfect plan that suits your specific needs. Head to hostinger.com, navigate to Hosting, and select VPS Hosting. In this tutorial, I'll pick the KBM2 plan. This package will give you plenty of resources to kickstart your site. In addition, once your website gets heavier traffic, you can quickly scale up your plan through hPanel. Simply add your chosen plan to the cart and opt for the 24-month subscription plan, as you'll save a whole bunch more, unlike paying each month. Continue with the checkout by creating a Hostinger account or register using your email or login with your Google or Facebook account. Scroll down to pick your preferred payment method. Don't forget to apply our coupon code VPS10 for an extra 10% discount. Once you're all done, click this button to secure your hosting plan. Once your payment is confirmed, set up your VPS plan by clicking the following button. Let's choose the OS with Control Panel for a more straightforward configuration process and server management. Then, select the operating system template. Our VPS hosting plans offer a selection of control panels to help you streamline your VPS file management without the need to execute custom commands. I'll pick Ubuntu with Cloud Panel as an example. Next, set a new password for your control panel. For top-notch security, create a long password using lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Use a password management app to keep your credentials safe. Click Continue once you're done. On the next page, you must fill out the secure root password. Then, add your secure shell protocol key in this section. This SSH key pair eliminates manual password authentication, creating a faster server login process and enhanced remote server access security. Check out our step-by-step tutorial if you want to know how to set up SSH keys. I'll drop the link in the description below. Want to do this later? No problem. You can skip the step for now and add the SSH keys via hPanel. Review your information one more time just to be sure. Finally, click this button and your VPS plan will be prepped and ready for action. System administrators commonly use a command line interface, or CLI for short, to manage a Linux-based remote machine like a VPS. Hosting or VPS users can leverage our built-in browser terminal to run such commands directly from their web browsers. To access it, open your web browser and follow these steps. First, open hPanel and click the VPS button found at the top. Next, find the VPS plan you just purchased. Click Browser Terminal and a browser pop-up message asking for your permission might appear, so click Allow. Once connected, you can run basic bash commands to manage your remote systems, files, and folders. Managing virtual servers can be difficult for some people, though. However, Hostinger offers a built-in AI assistant for VPS hosting plans to help simplify this task. Instead of sifting through endless FAQs and forum threads, you can access the AI from the VPS overview sidebar menu in HPanel. Hostinger VPS AI assistant lets you quickly generate Linux commands to manage your server. The AI assistant can also help verify whether your command is written correctly. For example, you can ask the AI for steps how to automate server monitoring and alerting. Use ePrompt like how do I automate server uptime monitoring and alerting as an example. The AI system will provide clear step-by-step instructions. You can even ask follow-up questions for more in-depth guidance. Remember, ensure your prompts are clear and detailed to get accurate results. Getting your VPS hosting up and running wasn't that complicated now, was it? With your VPS hosting plan set in place, you're just a step away from building your own WordPress website. If you need a guide to build your site, check out other Hostinger Academy tutorials in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tutorials, and other tech-related videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.